Your doors are more than just entry points. They're the gateways that protect your home, enhance curb appeal, and improve energy efficiency. Over time, even the most durable doors can begin to show signs of wear and tear. If you live in East Northport, where coastal air and seasonal temperature changes can take a toll on your home's exterior, knowing when to replace your doors can save you money and improve comfort. Here are the top signs it's time to consider a door replacement. Difficulty opening and closing. If your doors stick, scrape the floor, or don't close properly, that's often a sign of warping or shifting. Moisture, fluctuating temperatures, and age can cause wooden or metal doors to expand and contract, affecting their fit. Over time, this can make your door less secure and harder to use. In East Northport's humid summers and cold winters, this issue is especially common. A new, well-fitted door will open smoothly, provide a tighter seal, and restore the convenience you need for daily use. Drafts and rising energy bills. Feeling a chill near your front or patio door during the winter? That's a red flag. Drafts indicate that air is leaking around your door's frame or through cracks in the material. These leaks force your heating and cooling systems to work harder, increasing your energy bills. Energy-efficient replacement doors with insulated cores and weather stripping can make a noticeable difference in your comfort and utility costs. In East Northport, upgrading to an energy-saving door can help keep your home warm in winter and cool in summer, without overpaying on your electric bill. Visible damage or decay. Cracks, dents, peeling paint, or soft spots in your door aren't just cosmetic issues, they can signal structural weakness. Wooden doors may rot from moisture exposure, while steel doors can rust over time. These damages reduce your home's security and may allow pests or water to enter. If you notice extensive wear, it's best to invest in a new door that offers both strength and style. Modern fiberglass or composite doors resist decay and are built to withstand East Northport's coastal conditions for years to come. Unwanted noise and poor insulation. If outside noise easily filters into your home, your door may no longer be sealing properly. Older doors often lose their soundproofing ability due to worn-out insulation or gaps around the frame. Replacing your door with a high-quality, insulated model can block unwanted noise from busy streets or windy days, giving you a quieter, more peaceful home environment. For families in East Northport neighborhoods close to main roads or schools, this upgrade can make a world of difference. Outdated appearance and reduced curb appeal. Your front door plays a huge role in your home's first impression. Faded paint, outdated designs, or damaged glass panels can make your property look neglected. Replacing your door gives you the chance to modernize your home's style, whether you prefer sleek contemporary lines, classic wood finishes, or decorative glass options. A new door can elevate your home's curb appeal and even boost resale value, which is great news if you're considering selling in the future. Security concerns. An old or damaged door can compromise your family's safety. Weak hinges, worn locks, and brittle materials are easy targets for intruders. Newer doors are designed with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and advanced materials that offer maximum protection. If your current door feels flimsy or doesn't close securely, it's time to upgrade for peace of mind. A sturdy replacement ensures that your East Northport home remains safe and secure. Moisture between glass panels. If your door has glass inserts and you notice fog or condensation between the panes, the seal has failed. This not only looks unsightly but also reduces the door's insulation efficiency. Replacing the door is often more cost-effective than trying to repair or reseal the glass. A modern replacement door with double or triple pane glass provides better insulation and a clearer view. Upgrade your East Northport home today. Replacing your doors is an investment in comfort, security, and style. Whether you're dealing with drafts, outdated designs, or visible wear, modern replacement doors can transform your home's look and performance. For East Northport homeowners, choosing energy-efficient, weather-resistant materials ensures long-lasting results, and a more beautiful entryway to come home to every day.